All right, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Finally!
It's time to make the Travis Scott burger, aka the Travie Patty.
This is how you eat a Big Mac.
All right, we're going to do Shift and A. We're going to choose a mesh, of course. We're going to choose a cylinder. Oh, we're going to scale this thing down, right? And then we're going to just position it like here. And GZ to raise it up, and SC scale it down a bit. All right, this is going to be our bottom bun. All right, we're just gonna pinch the bottom part of it a bit. So we're gonna click on vertex, hold down Alt, click it again, and we're gonna press S, pinch it in a little bit here, maybe like right here. That's good. Looks like a Reese's cup, to be honest. All right, we get out of edit mode, do GZ, and we just drop it right here, and it looks fine. Alright, next we're going to add the patty. Or to do that, we can just do Shift and D, then do G and Z to raise the patty up. And we're gonna go into edit mode, and we're gonna bring these vertices back out. So hold on Alt, click, so you have all of these vertices selected, and do S. And we're gonna scale it out a bit like so. Go down some, so click it, press S. Scale it down a bit, just like that. And by the way, I'm gonna hide all of this stuff, so I have just the cylinder and the bun. So I'm just gonna hide the soda, the fries, and the sauce like that by clicking and dragging over these little Illuminati eyes here.
Almost got the cheese touch.
After we add the bun and the patty, we're gonna add the cheese. So Shift A, cheese is gonna be like a plane. Then we're gonna scale it down some, raise it up by doing G and Z. Probably scale it down a bit more by using S again. What we want to do is we want to make this cheese just plop. We want to make this cheese just plop on top of the patty, and like it kind of like folds over, you know. Or to do that, we're gonna add a few modifiers to our objects here. We're gonna click on the bun, gotta go to this little wrench right here, we're gonna click that, go to add modifier, we're gonna choose collision, we're gonna do the same for the patty, so click it, go to the wrench, add modifier, then we're going to do collision again. We want to click on the plane and choose cloth, and if we hit this little play button right here, what the heck? That wasn't supposed to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into edit mode. We're going to right click on it, and then we're going to choose subdivide, slice this thing up a bit, right click and click on subdivide till you have this many faces. Now we're going to hit play. Okay. We got to get out of edit mode first. Then we're going to hit play. And there we go. Look at that. See how it just folds like that? Like some real cheese, right? Looking good, man. I'm ready to eat. All right, once we have that, we're just going to apply the way it looks. We're gonna go to the right here with the plane selected. We're gonna go to the right here, and then we're gonna choose this drop down arrow, then click on apply. And this is gonna keep it the same way as it is, so we can just do whatever we want with it now. We're gonna place this gently on the patty here. So G and Z, just slide it down some, and just like that. There we go. And you see how this cheese is like paper thin? You can just click it and add another modifier called solidify. Come to the right, we can change the settings of this. We can change the thickness of the cheese. We don't want it to be too thick though. I think that's pretty good right here. And we can just right click and do shade smooth, and wowzers. There we go. We got some smooth looking cheese there.